Embeera etabuse ekiri ku kitebe kya FDC Najjanankumbi kifumba mutuku anti Enguumi eri mu kunyooka. Abawagizi ba FDC abakubagana Enguumi bagamba nti bakooye okuba ng'ekibiina kyabwe kiri mu kutwalibwa. Abamu bagezaako okulwana okulaba nga President wa FDC Patrick Oboy Amuriat tayingira mu kibiina kino. Abagamba nti yalese emivuyo gyonna mu kibiina kyabwe n'olwekyo tebakyamwagala ayingire ku kitebe kuno. Wabula Patrick Oboy Amuriat naye ate azze ne bakanyama be abakambwe bali bakanywa omusaayi batasaaga batazanya. Nabo bataddewo embeera era ne balwana olutalo sematalo okulaba nga omuntu waabwe ayingira munda. Ebifo ebabugumye Enguumi ne zitokota, endati ne zivaayo, emiggo ne givaayo, empi ne zivaayo, ebigambo ebisongovu ne byeyogererwa. Apuwa abuliddwa amagezi gakola abuliddwa ekyokukola amagezi ne gamwesiba n'atandika okutunula bw'ati obutunuzi mpwangali nga yeebuuza kiki abaakola ki ekiba kiddako okutuusa ne bamuwadde amagezi nti ssebo vva wano bagenda kukuba embooka abaana batabuse wano nga yaabuuza bubuuza eno chaos kana kajagala n'akali wano kaaki. Abaana nga bamugamba tuviire situkwagala ku kibiina kyaffe genda ate nga balala bagamba yingira gwe president gwe twalonda. Akavuyo akali ku FDC akavuyo akagenda mu maaso ku kitebe kya FDC Najjanankumbi kano katawaayo kya buli muntu bimusobedde buli muntu yeebuuza ebibuuzo wa FDC gye yolekedde wagyeraga twali ayinza kuwa ansa kubanga namusalabika etuuse ku nnyoge. Buli omu asikazzawe, buli omu agamba ye mutuufu, buli omu alangira munne okulya ensimbi, buli omu alangira munne okuba omukyamu. Situmanyi kinaggwera kino naye nga FDC giroga alabika embugo tannaba kuzissa akyayimiridde ali waggulu, embugo ziri waggulu ayagala kuwonoona FDC n'agimalewo. Enguumi zivuga buvuzi buli agezaako okuvaayo okukola ndowooza abantu babajjawo bujja babatwala Enguumi ne zitokota kyekiri eno ku kitebe kya FDC Najjanankumbi. Enguumi zitokota butokose, Enguumi zivuga buvuzi. Buli omu alaga munne amaanyi nti nze nsinga amaanyi, ffe tusinga wano, ffe tulina obuyinza n'olwekyo mmwe temusobola temumalaako era temuyinza kubaako nakyo mutugamba. Ebintu byasobye dda, ebizibu byazze dda ku kitebe kya FDC wane Najjanankumbi. Kale atulabe ebiriyo tuwulire ki ekigenda mu maaso era tumanye ate lwaki ebintu bitandise n'okubaamu Enguumi okwefuntula Enguumi okulaba nti nate bayinza n'okutuuka okwejjambulamu just olw'ebyobufuzi. What is this chaos about? You enter president. Yes.
What the meant for the individual person or for the people?
What has happened today, it shows that actually the party is not for the people, the party is for an individual who is poor and another. You don't need to ask me who is an individual. I've already told you. Na kama watataka na watu kuingia nje kwa chama chetu cha FDC, watu waambie we can go anywhere, all right? We can go elsewhere. But otherwise, what is happening here, FDC is not allowing members to enter inside. Even if you are a district, you are mwenyekiti wa wilaya, utaende kwa ndani. No, so we are saying, what is happening? Let's get more elaborated information from president.
Basebo ne banyabo.
So kutubulira lwaki batugana okuyingira nga tuli ba member.
I will die for my party. Yakfa because of my party. We can't allow goons to enter our party. We voted Amruat. We want to fight the
You have structures. If you have structures, why do you fight?
But I think
No. Don't. That's what
I don't blame.
So am I your president?
You are not.
That's why for me. That's why for me. I was asking him. We want you to chase me. Chase me because I want to be chased.
I'm not even a member.
I'm not an FDC member, so you don't fight.
Embeera bweti bweri nga bw'ogiraba wano Najjanankumbi ku kitebe kya Forum for Democratic Change. Enguumi zivuga ebigambo ebisongovu byeyolekerwa buli omu alangira munne kino mulangira kiri era n'enguumi otozirabye zivuddeyo abaana bakwese ku nnako ne bagamba tujja kwesabbula enguumi tujja kwekuba temuzannyira mu kintu temuzannyira mu kibiina kyaffe omu ate tuse n'okugamba nti I will die for my party oba alowooza obulamu bugulwa mbu yajja kufa ku lw'ekibiina kye ng'agamba tayinza kukkiriza abayaaye kuwamba kibiina kyabwe ekya Forum for Democratic Change ng'agamba ye okufa n'obutanyagwa ekibiina kino kyamulambibwa bajjajja babajjajjabe nti takivangamu n'olwekyo yenna akikyankalanya yenna agezaako okuleeta embeera yonna ajja kukubwa endondi enguumi ajja kuzirya bo mbalabye enguumi bazeewadde bazeepiikiza asinziza amaanyi n'awangula naye nga ndaba bino sitwandituuseyo sitwandituuse kuyiwa musaayi just lwa nsonga ezitaliimu musirikale ababuuziza nti lwaki mulwana temusaanidde kulwana bamugamba mulina structures tewali nsonga ebalwanyisa mukozese structures zammwe ate mulabe nno mukyusa ebyo ebyasoba mubitereeze muve mu byanaaganaaga ate ebyabasobako kati nange kye ŋŋamba nti FDC okutuuka okulwana okwekuba okugira okwettanga mwena muli bannyumba emu mwandibadde mukozesa enkola ennungamu ne mulaba nti mukyusa obukulembeze bwe biba biganye ate nga mulaba ekyalo ekyokukola tebasibirangako awo nti we yakaabira luli ne lulalo ejja okukaabira bwe kibanga kiganye ng'ate munoonyako ekkuba ewalala muyinza okugenda mu NUP muyinza okugenda mu DP muyinza okugenda mu UPC muyinza okugenda mu NRM okusalawo kujja kuba eri wammwe kuba ekibiina bwe kibanga kikyankalanye ndaba muba muyiwa nsaano ku mazzi tekigenda kutereera ssaawa zino naye nga tubasabire bannaffe ba FDC ate batuukirize ebigendererwa byabwe kati nno embeera ebadde bwero ogirabye ebadde bwetyo naye ate nno munda buli abadde ayingira nga waliwo olukuŋŋaana olubadde lugenda mu maaso meeting ya National Council meeting nga bateesa ku bizibu ebiri mu kibiina bagenda bigonjoola batya wamu n'okulaba okulonda obukulembeze bw'ekibiina bagenda kulonda ddi ati nyanga kutwaleko munda eno owulire ebigambo byabwe nga bateesa ensonga ezibaviiriddeko obuzibu era ki ekirina okukolebwa okulaba nga FDC edda ku mutindo.
here, look at me. I have asked that I go and deal with it. Isn't it? Okay.
One Uganda, one people, ra, cha, 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 cha. I, first of all, thank our God, our Allah, for allowing us to be here today. We had peace until a few minutes ago. It's a little bit unfortunate, but I truly believe that if you who are inside, you who are responsible for this party, you who have invested immensely, you who have lost friends, dear ones, who have people who are maimed, you will make sure that our party discusses the issues without emotion, state your case, and then when I ask you, please, sit down, please sit down. Not because I disrespect you. I simply want us to be positive in what we're talking about. I want you to make sure that what brought you all the way here hopefully is achieved. And hopefully it is that we are together when we go back home. I'm not presiding over a party that is going to break up. Otherwise, I would never have climbed the wall. I would have done something else. But I climbed the wall for you so that I can come another day. And here I am. So we save our party. We agree? Yes. All right. Now, agenda today. We are going to start off with prayer. Then we're going to have the national anthem. I hope they're ready. Are they ready? And then, after that, we shall have communication. After that, we shall have reaction, and then presentation of the Elders Committee report. Hopefully, we shall then have lunch of 1 hour. Then, after that, we shall have discussion and adoption of the report. Hopefully, by 4 o'clock, we shall have finished our business, and then we'll be on our way home. Now, let's have the national anthem adoption. The adoption of the agenda. Yes. Amendment. Yes. I don't have a secretary here. Someone is writing. The secretary is around here.
Thank you very much, Chairman and members of National Council. These members have come from very far. I would like to make amendments to the agenda. That after your communication, we go to presentation of the report, reaction, adoption, lunch, and departure.
You're suggesting that after my...
After your communication, you straight away call the elder chairperson to present the report, discussion, adoption, and we go for lunch and we pay people transport. And
that will not work for me, I'm sorry. We have a reaction from the chairman's report, and then we can go into the presentation. Yes, sir. Yes, Hakim.
Mr. Chairman, I am Uneralid Dennis Amere, a member of Parliament. Mr. Chairman, I want to suggest that after your communication, we can look at the report, but also we should have to look at the election that took place. We need to review it as a party. The grassroots election that took place, other places election occurred, other places election did not take place.
Okay, let me have one more and then I'll rule. Okay, we're coming, I'm coming.
Mr. Chairman, my name is Okinpipi Ojara. I represent the people of Chua West Kitgum District in the 11th Parliament of Uganda. Mr. Chairman, we are in a very serious party business. And members have taken their time from all over the country to come and attend this very important party business. Mr. Chairman, your communication is very, very vital. Your communication is going to direct the affair of this business, of this meeting. It would not pay us any cent if we don't comment on your communication. Mr. Chairman, a lot has happened in this party, and we want to hear from you. So, concerning the agenda, I want to move that after the chairman's communication, members are given time to react within a specified time frame, if it is about the issue of time. And then we proceed with the presentation of the report from the Elders Council. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, can I go to the other side, please? Then I go there. Are you coming, sir? You come.
Thank you, Chairman. I want to ask my fellow delegate to have some patience. Chairman, I've been a district councillor for some time. And once the matters like the agenda has been brought for the adoption, it can be amended. In my proposal, after number 5, the report which we are about to discuss, it was in the previous National Council meeting, which we have not approved here. So I would urge that we have first approved the minutes of the previous council. Yes, because that will give us a mandate to debate the report which we are about to talk about, because we are the one who refer the matter. Number 2, I also think it is important that we also talk about the grassroots election. Because I remember, please give me time. Atan, please give me time. Because why I'm saying this, Chairman, because I would have tell you exactly the power of a national council. Go to 2020. It will give us a mandate. It does not specify. So I propose, Chairman, that we talk about the grassroots election. Because as I talk, the whole of Acholi sub-prison, we have never conducted the grassroots election.
There was a procedure here.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Sasaga Isaiah Zagazaga. I represent Badajiri East. The procedure point I had, the member was presenting as if when the two reports are presented together, chairman's speech and the report of elders, it looked as if we shall not react and comment on them. So procedurally, Chair, it could be right that both reports are very important, not only one. That as you present the speech or your speech, the elders report is also presented. Then we adopt both of them and we react on both of them if seconded.
Thank you very much, Chairperson and Council members. I am Honorable Court PB Tech, the Honorable Member of Parliament for Kyoga County. Honorable Chair and members of Council,
we did, as a party did, advertise this session. This session its legal efficacy was advertised 2 weeks ago as provided for by our constitution. A deviation from what was advertised is a nullity to the extent of its deviation. Well, that is one. Then two, this session is not any other session but an extraordinary session, a special session. And that gives it the capacity to avoid any other thing. So my submission is that, Chair, let's adopt the agenda that was advertised without any deviation or without any mutation from what was there. That is my humble submission.
Okay. I've heard you. I've heard. Kindly adopt. Hopefully you can adopt what I've already said, because it is simpler than what you people are suggesting. Okay? Now, hopefully in my report there will be issues that raise your interest. Okay? And hopefully it has covered all the issues that you have mentioned here. So we're going to go with that. Now, who seconds? I have one. Are you second? Seconded? Okay, who's going to give us a prayer? Who's spirit-driven today?
Can I pray from here? Uganda anthem. East African anthem.
Ekitiibwa kya Buganda kyavaaja naffe tukikuumenga. Irire siyo olwa Buganda yaffe. Ekitiibwa kya Buganda kyavaaja naffe tukikuumenga.
Forgive me for those who are on this other side, but it was very hot before, so I could not stand over there, but I try to look at you as much as I can. This is my speech. For those who don't know me, I am OHC Ambassador Waswabili Gwa, Chairman of FDC. I'm very, very happy to see all of you here. Thank you so much for making it. And we are here to solve our problems and to rejoice that we are still around. I welcome you all, members of the National Council, to this special National Council, the 16th of its nature since the party was registered on 15th November 2004. In the 15th National Council meeting held from the 25th to 26th of October 2022, Council received and discussed reports from the National Executive Committee, NEC, as provided for Article 20-2A. This report was presented by the Secretary General. A report on the party's performance in the 2021 general election was also presented and debated. Colleagues, arising out of the 2021 general elections report discussion, Council is resolved to have a special mechanism set up to investigate the matter of the alleged, in quotes, monies from hostile sources that were allegedly received by the party. A committee of elders interrogate the money allegation was what you recommended in your resolution. The elders committee was constituted by the president, party president, with the approval of NEC. The party president took it upon himself to draw the terms of reference in the spirit of maintaining absolute confidentiality. The outcome of that investigation is a report which is part of National Council agenda business today. The 15th National Council approved the party electoral plan. It will be appropriate for you, the National Council, to discuss the state and quality of elections expected in the party and the country. I have received petitions from around the country with numerous complaints of lack of preparedness and competence of the party electoral management team. It is on this basis of this petition that I exercise my powers as party chairman in the best interest of the party to announce a postponement of the party elections until National Council sitting here today determines what kind of internal party elections it wants in order to have a vibrant competitive party. Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, the party structure roadmap has a history to it. It has established modus operandi, a standard of credibility and legitimacy. It is on the best practices of past structure elections that this party draws strength to grow, expand, attract new membership and support throughout the country. In the stated function of National Council, Article 20-2-E, National Council is expected to supervise, direct the work of NEC and other national party organs. I invite you to audit the state and status of party structure building. A meticulously well-built party branch network through credible processes is the best way for the party to mobilize political support, propagate governance system, and win political powers to meet the mission for which the party was set up for. The health of the FDC today is a matter that the National Council should pay attention to. The public perception of the party is critical to this public appeal. It is with a heavy heart that I report to you that for the last week, the happening in this party risks to damage all the political gains the party has made in the last 18 years. At this stage, it is important to find fault, not to find fault with each other, but to fix the party and silence their guns. No, you can clap, you're allowed to. Political damage and attrition to the party must be every leader's concern and duty. This party, using all its organs to stop everything it is engaged in, to find lasting solutions, to stop the raging bubble fire before the party burns to ashes. The party survival must be of the greatest interest to you, leaders.
Ensonga za Forum for Democratic Change ozuulira ensonga ngumu, ensonga zikalubamu naye bajja kuzimala. Tubasabye tubateremu essaala. Meeting y'abanene National Council meeting yetudde leero okutema empenda okulaba ng'ekibiina kiteera tekyeyawulayawulamu ate kubulwako kulaba nga tekigenda mu maaso. Chairman Birigwa luli yatwalibwa ne Nabugisi Mufungiza yalinya bikomera okudduka olwaleero bamukkiriza okubeerawo. Elias Lukwago Lord Mayor n'okono omumyuka w'Enyanjula Dolin abo baganiddwa okuyingirawo era bavuddewo nga ennyindo yenkata babatutte kiyumba anaagwa. N'abantu abalala bangi baganiddwa okuyingira ku kitebe ky'ekibiina kino Najjanankumbi nga bagamba balina emisango eminene gye bazza. Naye nga bo bagamba nti bagenda kulwanira ekibiina kyabwe paka nga kiteredde nga kivuddemu be bagamba abalyolyomi bannanfuusi abataagaliza kibiina kino. Bo abawagizi ba Forum for Democratic Change baddewo bazinga we bali okulaba ebigenda mu maaso era Enguumi gy'olabye yasoose okutokota. Awo nno bagamba nti ekibiina kyabwe kifudde, ekibiina abantu abamu bakyonoonye bali mu kukitunda kyokka ate nga kirimu okuyiwa musaayi. Nebiriggwa ono gw'olaba aliwo bw'atandise okwogera agambye nti bw'oba omanyi ng'oli munnankyukakyuka, bw'oba omanyi nti twafiirwa Baganda twafiiriddwa bannaffe bangi bakyali mu makomera, bangi baabuzibwawo olw'okwagala enkyukakyuka, ate gwe nodda ku musaayi gwabo n'olinyirira n'obuukabuuka ng'ate be baafuba okuba ng'ekibiina okisanzeewo oba ozizza musango munene. N'olwekyo mulina okuwa ekibiina ekitiibwa ate mulina okuwa okulembeza ekitiibwa era n'ekibiina kyammwe mulina okukyekuumira mmwe mwennyini bana Forum for Democratic Change. Ebigambo bizibu ate bizitowamu naye bwe bati bwe bali bantu baffe tubasaabire tubasaasire awamu nga abatereeze ekibiina kyabwe kiddewo baddemu okukola emirimu obulungi nga badde bagikola. Mbaagala nnyo nnyo nze Omukama Katonda gwe nsaba bankuumire tujja kuba tuddamu tuwaye mweraba.